Hey everyone, working on the tractor again. Unfortunately, I got all the hydraulic oil in it, got all the MCV stuff put back together, and now I don't have any steering. I don't have any clutch booster, but for whatever reason I do have brakes, so now I get to dig into what's going on there. But I wanted to do a really quick video on this because I'm sure a lot of people are curious. These tractors are notorious for getting that burn mark where the decal's at from the turbo and just the exhaust heat and stuff like that. So I just wanted to show you guys this quick. This is a product from Thermocool, I believe, or Thermotech. Thermotech. And I purchased it from Summit Racing, but here's the packaging of it. There's the part number, 12 by 24 adhesive backed material. Normally from Case IH you just get a couple of little chunks of heat tape. It probably costs the same amount. I think this was like 30 bucks shipped or something like that. I think this is going to do a much better job of reflecting that heat, but obviously we won't know until we run the tractor for a while with the hood on. So just wanted to give you guys a quick update on that. I will certainly do a how did it work sort of video when we get some hours on the tractor, but wanted to show you what I had done there. So thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a like, share, subscribe, and check back for